Alright guys, back with a new video, and today we are gonna look into recreating one of these images. It's a black and white red flare. Edit style, I guess, what you can call it. Kinda came up with it, so let's see how far we can push this. So first off, aspect ratio widescreen, content type art. We're gonna select in the styles themes, 3D art, and then digital art at the same time. Color tones we're gonna ignore, lightning we're gonna ignore, and composition is gonna be wide angle lens. So the first off, you wanna use these keywords. We're gonna use dystopian, futuristic, street photographer, black and white realism. Let's see what we're gonna get from that. Alright, that's not too bad, As we all can already see, we got the dystopian futuristic street photographer look. Black and white realism, looks pretty good. So the next thing is we're gonna add some fillers to the whole picture. So set people banging at midnight, hoodies surrounded by lights, standing in the rain reflection. I know it's a mouthful, but gotta do what we gotta do to get the picture. Let's see what we're gonna get from that. Keep adding to the scene, reflection, scary alleyway, as you can see. This is starting to look way more like the thumbnail we started off with, so keep on adding. So the last thing you really want to add is nothing much, but this gonna make the picture like the thumbnail. So gonna add some drones to make the scene more futuristic, and we're gonna end it off with Chinatown signs glow red flare hazy. So this is the magic sauce that I'm gonna share with you. I think I spelled hazy wrong, so we're gonna see. And there we go. This is the black and white realism with the red flare. As we started off, it's not the same picture because I changed a few words, and a few words, like if you swap words, it's actually gonna change the picture. Not even like different words, just gonna move them from like the back to the front. That's gonna change the picture, so be in mind of that. But as you can see, this looks pretty dope. Love the black and white with the red flares, man. That's just love it. So yeah, you can edit this to whatever you want. If you don't want a street photographer, you can go with a priest, a robot, or whatever. You can change the lightning to blue flares or whatever. Be creative with it. I'm just giving you the templates to start off with, and whatever you want to do with it, do with it. Have fun with the Adobe Firefly, and if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Like, subscribe, comment, and I see you next time, guys. Peace.